Hi, my name is Keith, a technician with USACLEAN for over 11 years, and this is a Tennant T300 20-inch auto scrubber. Now in this video series, I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on how to properly maintain your equipment and also help minimize the cost and need of sending a service technician. So right here is your solution filter. We need to replace it. Here's how. So first off, remove the bowl and set this off to the side here. Now, there's a zip tie right here. We're going to go ahead and cut that. That's just kind of holding this up to the machine. Now with the zip tie being cut, it's free. We can move it around. Now, what you first want to do is you want to unhook it on the right side from the solution line. And now what you can do is you can unhook it from the solenoid side. And then unhook it from the back side of the solution line. And it pulls right out. So now that we have it off the machine, we're going to remove the two threaded plastic sides from the solution filter assembly. You may need a pair of pliers. Get it started. Just like that. Now to replace it, just reverse the steps. Now it's always a good idea to have some Teflon tape on hand or some sealant so that you do not have any leaks or anything like that. So just take the plastic threaded in on your new assembly, screw it back down and tighten it. Now the solution only flows one way, and on your new assembly, there's an arrow that points towards the solenoid. So it comes in one side, fills up the bowl, and points towards the solenoid, allowing the solenoid to shoot the water to your brush. So, first, attach the back side, and it just snaps, and you'll hear a click. Make sure you hear the click. Then reattach it to the solenoid side. Again, you'll hear a click. And now, reattach the other side. Just like that. So next, you want to be sure that we replace the zip tie that we cut. Oh, that's just for stability purposes, too, of the filter bowl. Just like that. Cut your excess off. And now all we need to do is put the filter bowl back on. Now what I do want to say is if you don't need to replace the entire assembly, a lot of the times your solution line will get clogged or your filter bowl will get clogged, which gives you the poor solution flow up front. So if you don't have to replace the entire assembly, check your filter first. Just unscrew the bowl, pull the filter out. If it's dirty, clean it. Clean inside the bowl. If you just need to replace the filter bowl because it's cracked or damaged, at this point in time, you can do that too. You just get your new filter bowl. Has the screen inside. And then you just screw it back on the assembly. And you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watched, go ahead and click that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.